Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for subscribing. I love you guys. Today we're gonna be switching from this look to this look. A very simple, soft red lip look which turns your dull and boring day into a very interesting and glamorous day. This look is inspired by Priyanka Chopra. I just love how she just applies a simple red lipstick and rocks the entire red carpet with this very subtle makeup. And that one red lipstick does all the magic for the night. आज हम लोग वो look achieve करने वाले हैं. So let's get on to the video. So guys, I have already prepped my skin with hyaluronic acid, moisturizer and a sunscreen. I know it's dark outside but sunscreen is really important guys. ये चीज़ आपको तब realize होएगी जब आप लोग 50s and 60s में होंगे. I just love how those people who have used sunscreen their entire life have that flawless skin at that age as well. So yeah, sunscreen is really important. So guys, now I'll start with priming my face with MAC Prep and Prime Fixer. This works as a primer as well and I just love how light it feels and how कहते हैं ना बस रिफ्रेशिंग बेस दे देता है ये. एंड गाइस, प्राइमिंग योर फेस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट बिकॉज इट हेल्प्स to create that base for your entire makeup, and secondly it creates a wall for all those bacteria to clog your pores and create acne. So guys, priming your face is important. So I'll just spray thoda sa all over my face. I just love how it smells and I'll just let it dry. Now I'll just correct all my dark areas, जो भी मेरे concerned areas है over here and under my eyes, with this Nykaa's Conceal and Color palette in medium 2 shade. This is really helpful. I'll be using this orange color to cut down all the darkness. I'll just apply it under my eyes. So ये orange color use करने से ना जो भी आपका base का color है, it just evens out, cancel कर देता है basically. But you guys have to see like what color suits your skin. Some people prefers using peach color, some people prefer using green color, and yeah, so काफी सारे colors इसके अंदर available होते हैं. You just have to see like which colors goes with your skin color. It really helps in achieving those, कहते हैं ना, ग्रे एरियाज, उनको कैंसिल करने में काफी ज्यादा हेल्प होता है ये. I'll just blend it with the beauty blender फटाफट से. And now I'll use this Maybelline's Fit Me concealer in shade light. Usually I use it for my cut crease, but then आज मन कर रहा है बस करने का ना. तो ये हमारा जो भी हाईलाइट एरियाज हैं उसको हाईलाइट करने में काफ़ी ज़्यादा हेल्प करता है. मोर इट कंसील्स ऑल द डार्क एरिया जो कि हम ऑलरेडी कलर करेक्टर से हम करेक्ट कर चुके हैं. नाउ आई जस्ट ब्लेंड इट अच्छे से. आई लव हाउ दिस लुक लाइक लिटरली हेल्प्स, कहते हैं ना, जो कि मतलब बहुत ही जिस दिन बिल्कुल भी ऐसे मेकअप करने का मन नहीं है, यू जस्ट गाइस कैन लाइक अप्लाई अ कंसीलर, basic concealer, just not go for foundation also, and just apply that red lipstick and you're like you're good to go. And मैं usually in my earlier days when I was not into makeup and all, तब मैं यही करती थी कि like just apply a Fit Me foundation or like whatever foundation जो मैं use करती थी उस time पे, and just like apply a red lipstick from, I just don't remember कौन सा वाला lipstick था, but loads of people were using that color, that red lipstick, and we were like good to go for the entire day. So yeah, we have blended our concealer all over, and now we'll move on to our foundation. For foundation, I'm going to be using this Givenchy's matte velvet finish foundation. Moreover guys, this foundation smells like luxury and I just love it. I love the formula. It is very light on your skin. I'll just take like 2-3 pumps and use a flat brush to like apply it all over my face. It gives you that very amazing coverage also, very natural coverage actually. I just love how it smells. Oh my god. ये थोड़ा सा एक्सपेंसिव साइड है. लाइक आई बॉट दिस फॉर आई गेस around 5,000 or so, above that actually. But then I love how the entire formula is and how entire कहते हैं ना पूरा जो बेस ये क्रिएट करता है. I really love it. It is like so lightweight and it gives you that very hydrated finish look. And now I'll just use this beauty blender to like blend everything together and avoid all the stroke lines created by the brush. So that's the base. And now we'll move on to contouring. And for that, of course, we're going to be using this Rare Beauty contour stick. And I'll just apply it on my cheekbones यहाँ पे. So basically contouring हम लोग इसलिए करते हैं. I'll just apply it यहाँ पे, इधर, wherever I need the highlight, here, little bit on my forehead, and of course in my jawline to define it better. You guys can see like मैंने सिर्फ एक line यहाँ पे दिया है and it creates the shadow look. So that's how it works. And yeah. So we'll be like blending it with the beauty blender. And now we'll be blending it with the beauty blender. So why we do contouring is to just like give that depth to your skin. Sculpt करना होता है basically contouring से. So it creates that shadow effect to your entire face. And if you do that wrong, तो आप literally it can go really bad. So you just have to see like how your face structure is, and there are like a lot of images mentioned on Google जो कि काफ़ी ज़्यादा helpful होता है to understand like how your face should be contoured. So for my face, like already my cheekbones are very sharp, and तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा light use करती हूँ. And the shade for this contour stick is Happy Soul. It is very natural, guys. You can see काफ़ी ज़्यादा natural look देता है, and it is very hydrated. I love how it adds on the glow also. And very very easy to blend. Like you guys don't even need a beauty blender to blend it. Like अपने हाथ से भी you can do it very easily. So yeah. And if you guys need that very snatch look जो कि models लोग उनका usually होता है, so just extend this line towards your jawline, like create a 7 look, and you'll get that very this kind of look. But I need a very simple contour right now, so मैंने सिर्फ इतना सा किया है. And now moving on to a blush, I'll be using this Rare Beauty का blush in shade Believe, and I'll just tap 3 dots यहाँ पे and 3 dots यहाँ on my nose and on my chin. And guys, it is really pigmented, so use it बहुत ही ध्यान से. And I'll just take it towards upward to give that lift look. पूरा. You guys can see like how it is lifted. And even this is काफ़ी अच्छे से blend हो जाता है, तो इसको अगर हाथ से भी आप लोग करोगे तो बहुत easily blend हो जाएगा. And I'll just like blend all the blush and the contour together. Now I'll be using this K Beauty's translucent loose powder, and guys, it is really good. बहुत ही light है ये and works really wonderful. So I'll just use the powder and dab it under my eyes to lock the concealer and all the foundation we have applied. तो ये क्या करता है ना, ये lock कर देता है. So it helps in avoiding all the creasing. And over here, and since I get laugh lines यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा, तो I have started using less product over here, but I applied loads of loose powder, but not इतना कि like it looks cakey. Over here, and wherever you feel that you have oily area over your T-zone and everywhere यहाँ पे, so you guys can use this loose powder to just avoid creating that oiliness. Guys, this blush gives such amazing glow. I just love it. Like you really don't need any highlighter also. on regular days, like if you're applying this Rare Beauty blush. So I'll just keep this loose powder for like 2-3 minutes and I'll just do my eyes until then. For that, I'll be using this Nykaa's 4-in-1 palette. And guys, this is so amazing. You all know, like, I'm obsessed with this palette, like, so good. So I'll be using this one first on my crease line. And don't worry, we'll blend it आराम से. As you guys can see, like, मेरे को यहाँ पे creasing काफ़ी हो रहा था. So this palette like so good कि even though I have used it for like the entire day, it helps in like avoiding the crease also. मतलब creasing बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता है उससे. I love how pigmented it is. So now with this eye crease blending brush, I'll just like blend everything अच्छे से. So this loose powder also helps in one more thing कि जो भी आपका आई शेडो का पाउडर होता है ना, तो जैसे वो आपके फेस पे गिर गया तो यू जस्ट डोंट हैव टू बी लाइक वरिड कि आपका पूरा मेकअप खराब हो जाएगा. You just can like brush it off आराम से. Now I'll be using this shade and I'll just use my finger and apply it on my lid area like that. So with red lipstick, usually go for a very light eyes. Since आपके lips बहुत ज़्यादा already focused है, you really don't want all the attention to like get divided between your eyes and your lips also. So whenever you are doing a red lip look, make sure कि it is good that like you go for a very subtle eyes. And I'll just like blend थोड़ा सा दोनों को साथ में. Now just to like define my eyes little bit, I'll use this black one and create थोड़ा सा कहते हैं ना eyeliner जैसा look like that. And yeah, good to go. Now I'll just dust off all the powder जो भी हमने apply किया था with very gentle hand, like without being hard on my skin, either like dabbing or just like हल्के से gently like moving my hands. Now we'll be using this Too Faced mascara, Better Than Sex, and guys, this is like so good. It gives you that amazing volume. So I'll apply that. 2-3 coats are like good for that amazing volume. जब तक ये second coat सूख रहा है ना, I'll give you one hack. So whenever your mascara is about to dry, just don't throw it off. Keep it because it will help you to work as a brow gel and just brush your brows like that. That's an amazing hack and I've been like using it from years now. So this helps to keep your eyebrows intact for the entire day and brow gel पे पैसा waste करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. And it works like as a mascara also, as a brow gel also, and you guys can see like how difference it creates. And now I'll just apply थोड़ा सा on my waterline, lower lashes actually. I'll just add little bit blush with this Makeup Revolution ka palette. They have blushes also, highlighter also, and bronzer also in this one palette. I'll just add थोड़ा सा इसमें जो blush है, हल्का सा on my apple of my cheeks. And now with this fan brush, I'll be just brushing हल्का सा यहाँ पे and apply it as a highlight. Such a gorgeous shade it is. It is like a champagne shade ये वाला ना, काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा है. And I'll use it on my nose to highlight it on my lips. Eyebrows का जो end है यहाँ पे, I'll just highlight that. I just need थोड़ा सा extra highlights in the glam, you know. Oh, I love it. Now to like fix all these layers together, I'll be using one layer of setting spray. For that, I'll be using this Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer. Sorry, थोड़ा गंदा हो गया. And just like spray it all over my face and let it dry. Now it's time for the much awaited red lipstick and it is from Charmasi Milano. Guys, look at the packaging. It is like so premium. I love how it looks. So today we're going to be using this red lipstick. I love the shade of this. And now we'll just apply. The best part about this red lipstick is like it is so hydrating. You really don't need any lip balm or any gloss after this. Like, so good. Very velvety red lip look. Can you see how hydrating it is? Like, I am loving it. If you guys really want to avoid the shine of it, you guys can take a tissue and do essay, and full matte finish हो जाता है. But it maintains its hydration, so that's really good about it. Like, it's gorgeous. So yeah, that's the final look. But I'm gonna be using one more layer of the setting spray. And you guys can like add like cute little pair of earrings and a cute top, and you're like literally good to go. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like this look and recreate someday or the other. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and hit the like button on this video. Comment down below and smash that subscribe button. Turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my videos in future. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video on Thursday. Until then, bye.